Hey everyone, it's Alan from Flavors of New York. I'm in the Bronx. As a matter of fact, I'm in the East Bronx. About to try some Pakistani food at Karahi King. Come with me.
Hello, this is Zia. We are here at Karahi King. We have a wonderful team. Karahi King essentially is a Pakistani restaurant. We specialize in Pakistani food that's really made with a lot of love. My background is actually in finance. I'm licensed with New York Stock Exchange. And my partner and I, we used to hang out in this neighborhood because he's essentially from this neighborhood. And we used to go back to Long Island and Queens to try Pakistani food. And at that point we decided Bronx has a lot of Pakistani population coming in and we should introduce a Pakistani restaurant to satisfy the clientele locally. And that inspired us. We looked around, we hired chefs, we interviewed a lot of people, and then we set up a lovely menu to fulfill our dreams. Here it is, our Karahi King catering menu. We are located at 1075 Allerton Avenue, and you can see we have great variety of stuff and a lot of Pakistani dishes. We are Karahi King. Karahi is a Urdu word for wok, so we are king of woks, but we specialize in a specific meat, a baby goat or a chicken, and we stew it and serve it in a wok. This is a chicken halim. It's a very tedious process. The chicken is cooked over a very long period of time until each and every grain is separate. It's a Pakistani delicacy. So this is our creation, King Twist Kebab. What it is essentially is chicken inside. First we grill the chicken, we put tandoor in the tandoor and make it. And on top of that is our special bread with sesame seeds and kalonji seeds. And we bake it to perfection in our clay oven. So this is our tandoori tikka, chicken tikka. Malai. It's chicken malai tikka. It's a specialized meat. We marinate it overnight, and once you bite it, it's a very creamy texture and melt in the mouth. So at Karahi King, we specialize on our wings section. We have a lot of different varieties of wings. These wings are specially formulated with our special sauces, and we bake them in the tandoor. So we have tandoori grilled wings. So this is tandoori malai tikka and chicken tikka. We marinate this overnight and we bake it in a clay oven. So here we have our tandoori platter. It has shrimps, it has beef kebab, it has chicken malai boti, it has chicken tikka and chicken seekh kebab. And you can see it's served in a nice cast iron to keep it really fresh. Over here we have sesame naan. It's baked in a clay oven. And we have our garlic naans. Chicken biryani is made to perfection.
This is the beef. Spices are just perfect. Very savory.
That's a chicken seekh kebab.
Ah. Chicken seekh kebab?
That's right.
Excellent. This is also chicken, correct?
That's right. This is chicken malai boti. These are made on a metal skewer, so they are cooked from within as well to provide even heat, and baked in a clay oven at around 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Very tender, very delicious. And the shrimp.
That's right.
Everything is just delicious.
One more item hidden there, that's
Over
chicken
here?
tikka. Yep.
This is the chicken tikka.
That's made of chicken thigh. It's like juicy and melt in the mouth.
All right, they say it's juicy. It says it melts in my mouth. It is juicy and it melts in my mouth.
There we go.
Well, Zia, you did not disappoint. Everything at Karahi King was fantastic, delicious. You need to find your way here. come look for Zia. Zia, how can they find you?
Well, we are located at 1075 Allerton Avenue. We are available online as well. We are at Grubhub, Uber, DoorDash, and I'm really glad that you are like our stuff. You are most welcome. You are invited anytime with you, your family, and we are really honored to have you here and looking forward to see you again.
All right, this was delicious. This is Alan from Flavors of New York. Come to the East Bronx. See you next time.